You didn't think we would be doing a casual bridge crossing? It's very interesting that you kind of go away from it to like make a loop to go back. Do you know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
So
good morning. It's 9:30. We just left our hotel room. I'm gonna stop at Timmy's on the way for an ice cap, and then we're going over the what is this?
This is the McDonald Bridge, which is apparently a replica of our old.
Oh yeah,
bridge.
it is.
Yep.
Lionsgate.
Yep.
Almost exactly. It's
Yep.
like they said.
Welcome to Sidney, Nova Scotia.
At 2:59 p.m. aka 3 p.m. Oh, big puddle.
You're gonna go left.
Here?
Yeah, there's a big fiddle. Way to go.
Oh, I missed it.
Yep.
It's too busy being blinded by the
By the beautifulness of the city.
No.
These houses are so cute. So much character.
Yeah. Alright, it's very big. I don't usually do the check-ins, but Leslie's doing it. Hopefully this media mod thing is keeping the wind out. We did it.
I didn't even know this was here. You can't say we did it because we didn't know what we were doing. This isn't the reason we came. I knew about this 15 minutes before we got here. We didn't do it. We didn't do nothing. So this is Cosset House. It's a museum during the summer and not like seasonally. But it's a house in Sidney that's from like the 1818 or something like that. 1830, in that range somewhere. One of the oldest houses in Sidney. Yeah.
Oh, there's a thing there. It's all covered in snow though.
Oh yeah. It's a historic site.
Alright, here's our room at the Holiday Inn. Oh,
Not bad.
not bad.
It just sucks that it was closed for renovation.
Yep. Here's our view. Oh, there's a little port side window.
What?
Hey,
Fine.
what about Bob's? They're Skechers. They look like Tom's. They look exactly the same. They're $10 less, and they're made nicer because the ones that they have here at the shoe company, they've got little bits of white mixed in the black, and they're not made very good.
Oh, I would never get them from there.
Where would you get them from?
Usually I get them from like, what do you call it? Like Boathouse or...
The same shoe.
Yeah, but Tom's gives a pair of shoes to a child in a third world country.
And then our washroom.
Yeah, okay.
That's literally the reason why I started wearing Tom's is because they everywhere you buy a kid.
See if we have, our last one didn't have any hot water. And it didn't have an inside sheet, so the water was going all into the floor. So this one has an inside sheet. It's not too bad.
I kind of wanted them to say Tom's because I like Tom's.